nyomwe bazyo zakwaya kurga harubaju rw'abanyakaturu hamwe n'abakristayo zerundi na hari Serena Hotel muri Kampala umumpake za Vision Group z'akamaririze za National Festival kandi umukoro gwetabirwemo abantu nyamwinji. Abeshongoza aba babiri nibeshongore byeshongoro by'abajuruzi omaraka garenka gikondere ubwo bari mu bijwaro byenzarwa. Kwaya ya St Charles Rwangaro baga Cathedral ni yesingira harubaju rw'abakristo n'ubururu birinkaga na kamwe kandi yasinga kwaya zinde zirimo Award Seat of Wisdom SS Kasawo ebire ya kabiri hamwe na All Saints Choir okurga Arua ebire ya kashatu. Aharubaju rw'abakristayo kwaya ya Morning Glory kurga St Apollo Chive Buraya umurientebe ni yesingire n'ubururu 509 kandi na yesingire zindi za kwaya z'amane ziri mu Rwenzo Diocese Kampala Fellowship ebire ya kabiri hamwe na Shepherd's Choir okuruga St Augustine Church of Uganda ebire ya kashatu. Abasingire mpakezi buri umwe atwira kasimo ka miliyoni 10 abakabiri batwara miliyoni 5 rero wakashatu yatwara miliyoni 3. Umuhezi wa mukuru wa Vision Group Gervase Ndianabo asimira betabiro mu mpaka zo kweshongora byeshongoro by'abajuruzi kandi nagira ngo iki Vision Group nekikora okwenda kwijuka abajuruzi abaferire dini.
So many books have been written, but when you go deeper, you will see that they did their part in the families, even in the communities where they lived, in the Kabaka's palace, but everywhere else. So the lesson from the martyrs is, we don't think you are going to die for the martyrs. We don't want that kind of martyrdom. Of course, martyrdom is good, but we don't want you to die. But we want you to honor the martyrs, to make them your models and become good citizens.
Ekiro cy'abajuruzi nikija kwijukwa habiro bishatu byo kwezo ku umurina mugongo kandi entebekanisa zona zahwire gasha kwa Elias Rutogusa.